Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna solve the lead code problem ugly number 2. It falls in the medium category of lead code. Now let's move on to the problem statement. An ugly number is a positive integer whose prime factors are limited to 2, 3 and 5. Given an integer n, return the n ugly number. For n equals to 10, the output would be 12 because we can see the all the starting 10 ugly numbers at the 12th at the 10th position the 12 is there, so 12 would be the outcome, and so n equals to 1, 1 will be the outcome. The first ugly number is 1. The ugly number is a number which whose factors are limited to 2, 3 and 5. So uh, we are gonna just use the previously find ugly number n minus 1 ugly numbers to find the current n ugly number. So we are gonna use a vector int ugly number. Let's name it ugly. Just ugly size would be n, and it would be initialized to, let's don't initialize it. And the first ugly number we know that is first ugly number is 1, so we are gonna initialize it with 1, and then we are gonna run the for loop. I equals to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus, and now we need to find the ugly number, ugly number at like ith position, the first position, the second position. It's a zero based indexing. For that, the possible candidates are, we need to choose the minimum, and the possible candidates for the minimum are, let's see. Also, we need to keep track of the ugly number consisting of three ugly numbers, three smallest ugly numbers who would be the possible candidates. So initially it would be equal to 0. L2, let's index for like int I2 index for 0, index for 2 ugly number consisting of 2. I3 would be equal to 0 as well. I5 would be equal to 0 as well, and it would be minimum of uh, ugly 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 I2 star 2 comma ugly I3 star 3 and ugly I5 star 5. These are the possible candidates for the next ugly number. So if we choose the first candidate as the ugly number is chosen by the algorithm, then we are just gonna increment the index. Just I2 plus plus, and similar will be the case for, we need to just use an else statement here, and there that would be I3 3 star, and now we are just going to return the last ugly number we have found in the array, ugly n minus 1. It would be the nth ugly number. So there is an error, ugly. I made a error, I made a typo. Here is the array now, ugly. Draw the typing error at G and L. And there's a colon missing out here, semicolon missing out here. So there is an error. Let me just check it out. I made all the comparisons. If ugly I is equal to 3 star ugly I3, then I3 will be incremented. If ugly I is equal to 5 star I3, if that is a 5 star ugly I5, then we are choosing the last guy. So I5 will be incremented, and then we are returning ugly n minus 1, the last or the nth ugly guy we have found. And so we are, the solution is accepted. Thank you for watching my video. If you do like my video, then do like and subscribe the channel.